Good evening, everyone. Hello. Hello, everyone. Good evening. We are just waiting for Captain Gajanan to join. He'll join shortly. I hope everyone's going well with their papers. Today is the deadline for us. It's at midnight. We will close all the entries. So please be ready with your papers. Hello, everyone. Hello.
Thank you, Benny.
Very
Thank you
good
very
evening.
much. You're looking very handsome. Huh?
Thank you, sir. You too.
You're looking also very happy. See, Farhan is asking you what is the secret of happiness. Okay, this is very important because I got a lot of calls in last almost 2 hours. People asking about the question submission. I believe the participants are there. If Farhan, if you can put a message on the participants group to join Insta Live, so at least they can come and listen to this. We can wait for another 2 minutes, no problem. I can do that as well. 1 minute. Because last 2 hours, my phone has been continuously ringing with this cadets calling me as to where to submit, how to submit, what to do, sir. This is the last minute crisis. So,
Hello. Good evening.
Good
oh,
afternoon.
Farhan
Good
has joined.
evening, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir. So
Good evening,
I
Farhan.
put a message on
I already put a message. Please join Insta Live. Let's see how many will join. Because in last 2 hours, I got almost 30 plus calls. People asking various questions as to how to submit, where to submit, when do we submit, can we submit tomorrow morning, and things like that.
no.
So that's what I wanted to
Very
clear
good
everyone.
advice.
So let's see. It's about 27 now. Let's see I don't know if everybody can join. Participants may con
And
join
sir,
karega pata nahi.
also please mention the fact that even if we received a lot of submissions, most of them had incorrect format. So
Hmm.
so that is one thing that needs to be addressed. And after if to after to like midnight tonight, if we receive any of those incorrect format, we won't be asking you to resubmit it. We'll be straight away disqualifying it.
That's true. That's true. So how many papers came so far? 35, 40.
No, sir, we have received 65. Corrected 65.
Oh, very good. I think we'll cost 100, 120, probably.
Yes, sir, sir, that is,
होना चाहिए.
I mean, we should reach.
Target. Anyway, I see nobody joining. No. Hi guys. So we can put this on the Samyukta channel also, and share this, IGTV video on through YouTube of Ampak. मैं डालता हूँ. मैं करता हूँ. Once you share it ना, I'll download IGTV TV and put it on YouTube. So guys, thank you very much. There has been a very good response to Samyukta competition, and we are very thankful to you as young minds that you have. invested your time, your energy, and thinking something out of box of a subject that you don't know. And I'm very proud of that feeling of mine, that I had about you guys, young minds. I'm addressing all the viewers, in fact, that the pilot ladder is something which is very close to the heart of AMPA because it is a risk of a pilot and pilot hangs on it, literally hangs on it. And he hangs on the mercy, knowledge, competence of ship's crew, of tying a pilot ladder, of tying up a proper pilot ladder, and also on their good practices of maintenance and upkeep. So it's a complex subject, but still, it's a very, very common sense thing. So we have received a good response so far. I'm very thankful to you guys. But there have been a lot of calls, despite all the social media propaganda done and the intimations given to people. I could not come live for last 2 3 days. I was busy with some other work. But I thought today is a right day because in last 2 hours I got about 35 40 calls asking where to submit. Now I'm going to explain you. You got about 3 hours to go now to submit the papers. So please, once you write the paper, number one thing to do is attach to it a cover page. The cover page is color coded. As per your discipline, you can attach. There are 4 or 5 disciplines we have identified: BSc Nautical Science, B Marine Tech. There's Naval Architecture. There's a PG and UG different things. So, and also there is a BBA, MBA students. So we are very, very happy that everybody, all people who are currently shipping have taken part in this pilot ladder competition without knowing what pilot ladder is all about, without experiencing it firsthand. And that is something, it gives me enormous pleasure. You see, you're trying to jump into a swimming pool and you're trying to, be a daring professional. And this will take you a long way in life. So first thing to do is the identify a cover page after your discipline. Attach cover page to the paper. Don't write any names of the teams on cover page. It has to be only cover page with a blank numbering written. Numbering will be done by the Samipta team. You don't have to do it. You don't have to ask for the number. Numbering will be done by the Samipta team. And then there has to be an abstract of 100 words and the paper of 3,000 words. Now 3,100 is the maximum count. Okay, we can look at 10-15 words here and there. There's no issue, but there should not be 100 plus words here and there. So be sure that your paper is corrected, number one, correctly. And the last page has to be, some of the teams have put their cadets' photographs and the little biodata as to in which competition they have taken up the part in, in college, which college they are from, what is their, the birth year and date of birth and all that. That's all fine. But we need a brief biodata in just one page, 3 photographs or no photographs also okay, 3 names, a brief biodata of cadets, just for us to know that who are the cadets, because these are the things which we will look into when we provide to judges. When the papers will go to judges, judges will not know your college name, they will not know your name, they will only purely know the content of the paper. And that is what we want to be valued at, because your mind, your young mind, your innovative mind has worked on a content, and we respect that very much. It doesn't do with your name, doesn't do with your region, your college, your faculty, nobody else. So make sure that none of your abstract or none of your, anything of that sort paper writing has anything to do with your college name and anything to do with your so-called of, your name and grade, etc. So cover page color coded, abstract, 1 page, and the next page is the next 3, 4, 5, 6 pages जो भी है उसमें तुम्हारा innovation होना चाहिए. If you have put the industry statistics, you have put the graphs, you have put something else, it will really, really matter. If you put pictures, drawings, it will really, really matter, because pictures and drawings are not counted in the words. Remember that. That's the advantage for you. So do that and submit the paper at samipta.ampa@gmail.com. Don't send it on my email ID or somebody else's email ID, because it will not go as registered. So what team is going to do after they receive the paper? The team is going to check your paper for cover page, for the abstract words, for the main paper words, and for biodata. Once it is done, then the team is going to give it a number as per Excel sheet. We are already given the numbers to your teams. We are going to give number, and that paper is going to go in a accepted folder. You will also receive a mail from someone acknowledging that paper has been received. Okay, the mails will keep coming till tomorrow. Okay, don't worry about it. So once you have sent the mail will definitely come to us. So these are the few instructions. If anybody has got any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Farhan is here, Benny is here. They
Yes,
will
sir.
reply to you. I am also here. We can reply to you.
On one question that we received, that if reference and names, if it includes in the 3000 word, no, it doesn't. The 3000 word is completely based on the the matter of your research, and the names and references, all the extra information is excluded from those 3000 words. Then the next question that we had is, yeah, the correct format. Most of them were asking about the correct format. So, yeah, the correct format sir has already explained, and it's the same, that the first page needs to be a cover wherein nothing has to be written. The unique code will be assigned by us. Then comes the abstract, which has to be strictly limited to one page, and then comes your your research paper, which has to be limited to 3000 pages. There are absolutely no limit on papers. The pages for your subject matter.
Yeah.
And
So we
then
are not
comes your
very strict
guide.
on the font size and all that, guys. Don't waste time in that now last minute. So your font is all okay. So you just send it, and we will take care of other things. I only have I think there's one question which is informed. Again, Akshay is
Yeah,
asking.
there
Akshay,
is
paper number will be given by Samyukta team. Paper number will not be given to you. Don't worry about the paper number. Akshay, please tell your friends also. Please call them personally and tell them.
Sudhika, so someone is asking for the result. When will the selection result will be published?
Selection results
Now,
will be out
after, yeah, 1 minute.
very
So
soon.
after this, after papers are received, they are numbered, then they are put in the separate folder. The papers will be sent to 12 international judges. You will know the names of judges and photographs and all. Tomorrow we will put the flyers on social media as well. So you will know how acclaimed these internationally acclaimed pilots who are accepted to be a judge of your competition. You will be really blessed to have the papers checked by them. Once the papers are checked by them, papers will come back to us with the marks out of 100 by end of July. So maybe first week of July, say, I don't promise a date, but 4th, 5th of August, we will be able to announce you all the names of the top 10 papers. Now those top 10 papers, I will do one more live, maybe 2, 3, 4 more lives after this on Insta, in case you all really wanted to join. But idea is to tell you all process correctly and be engaged with you all. All those top 10 papers will have to generate a PPT for presentation of their idea. Since your idea has been selected and is selected as one of the best ideas, then to make it best presentable format, you can make a model, you can make a video, you can make whatever it is. But you have 15 minutes for two speakers to speak 7.5, and present the paper in front of entire international audience of more than 500 people. We're going to invite all associations of pilots, all shipping companies, ship management companies, people who are attached to Pilot Ladder. We all will be involved, including Nautical Institute of London and India and Southwest branch and West branch and everybody. So
We'll
guys,
get
be
to know, sir,
engaged with this
tomorrow when the
subject.
posts are released.
Yeah. So we are expecting 100 plus papers, and it's a really good news for us because this is the largest ever competition which is being held on a single subject research in entire world. I have received compliments from IMO, I have received compliments from Nautical Institute, I have received compliments from all organizations, including Brazilian pilots, Argentinian pilots. They have sent a letter to AMPA saying that I'm not publishing the letter on the listing because they're quite personal letter also because I know those guys personally. But they have said that the AMPA has taken a very important initiative with IMU, and IMU has really, this is the first time ever the industry has come to academia for a solution, and you guys are providing solution. Remember that. Be proud about it, and submit your paper with the zeal. Pray that you come in top 10 and you get a chance to speak in front of international acclaimed crowd, which is going to be a na bhuto na bhavishyati. I'm telling you. So this is what I want to say. In case Bini
Sir,
you want to
also
add
just
something,
one more
Farhan.
query. Sir,
Yeah.
one more query that we had in the chat that someone has prepared a video, personally has created a based on his research, and he wants to attach it to the research paper, but he couldn't do it. So he has sent the link independently in the mail. So will it be accepted or does he need to make any changes?
No, no, no. See, the research paper will be only analyzed on the based on text now. Okay, text, drawing, photographs. And if at all his paper comes in top 10, then he will get a chance to present. And that time he can show a video, show a model, show a prototype, whatever it is. I mean, we are welcome to all this. And really a good solution comes, which is out of box, we will hide that and we will definitely give you a first prize and definitely get the innovative solution patented on your name with the cover of a college name. And that all expenses will be borne by AMPA. The entire procedure will be done by AMPA with US patenting. So don't worry. We have a lot of shipping companies who have come out to us offering us the help for cadets innovative ideas. So we will use all the shipping companies. There is BSN, there is fleet management, there is there's MSC, there is MTM. All companies have expressed their great thanks to us for engaging the young minds in this project. So I'm really, really proud of you, and I want you all to do really excel in this competition so we can make the world a better and safer place. Okay?
Lastly, we
Anything
just
else you
want
want
to
to say,
say
guys?
that
Yeah.
like fully focus on your research and don't just concentrate on the other factors that when the result will be released or what is the marking scheme. Believe in your
Correct.
research, and if it gets in the top 10, sky is the limit for you. That is what we want to tell you.
Correct. Correct. Okay? Any doubts anybody has got? Who's asking? Somebody asking. I
Sir,
was
you
not
can
able
close.
to attach the video as provided. Okay, fine. Don't attach the video. Who's this guy? Aman Khan. Don't worry about the video attachment. Your paper is going to be analyzed on the text, drawing, and photographs. Okay, so do that thing and set the paper again if you want to send. Don't worry about the video at all. Video you will get to present later on. Can we write names of our project onto the cover page? You can write the project name, but project name should not contain your name or your college name. You can write project Sankalpa, project Brahmastra, whatever it is you want to write. You can do any name, but that's fine. That's up to you. But we don't require a project name at all. Okay. Then can we send the paper directly to Samipta mail, or should it be at the college? No, you can directly send. I have told the college principals and directors also that students are allowed to send the papers directly to Samipta ID. It is accepted. Samipta team will acknowledge your paper if the paper is correct. They'll acknowledge. We have sent back some 20 or 30 odd papers today because there was no cover page and there was no biodata. So be very particular about it. Okay. Wish everyone all the best. Yeah, okay. This is what Vijay has written. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you, Vijay. Captain Vijay is a very known Insta personality. He's at the moment selling in Brazil. He's on a chemical tanker, and he is also a part of AMPA. He has done a lot of work on AMPA website, and also have successfully contributed to it. Thank you very much. Captain Norbert, very, very good words from you. Thank you very much, sir. Your blessings to the cadets are required. You're the man. So thank you so much. And congratulations to you on 1,000 followers today. So on Insta. So thank you so much, sir. Who else is there? Guruvag is saying what Benny. Benny ka dost. Gaurav Raj Pandey, yes.
Sir,
Very
at
के
the
बहुत
end we
fans
have
है.
one question.
Tell me.
What is the information we should include in the email interface?
Nothing. Just say, dear sir, please find attached paper here with for our submission. Thank you very much. Don't write any more jargon, guys. Be simple guys like me. Enjoy your life. Okay. Anything else? Any more questions? Just have a look at it. Paper number will be informed to us. अरे I told you already यार.
Won't be.
Video हो गया. उसका क्या हो गया? We should include email interface. Okay.
All right, sir. Sir, I think we should end it.
Yeah.
You have got
Okay.
2.5 hours to go. We'll see
Yeah.
you on the other side. Bye bye.
All the best, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Farhan. Thank you, Benny, for this
Thank you so much.
Insta
Thank you
Thank
live.
you so
for
much.
Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.
thank you for joining me. To all the participants, prepare your final, give up your final touches and do your best. All the best for you guys. Thank you.